Let's get ready for Valentine's Day. Hello, I'm Connie if we haven't met yet. Welcome. Let's get started. On this day, this is what I picked up at Goodwill. Many of the items that you see here are going to be projects in other videos, and nothing has been cleaned yet. For part of today's home decor styling, I'll be using that lovely love sign in the center, along with some other things I picked up at other thrifting trips or from the Dollar Tree. When I originally picked this up, my intention was to paint it, but after I cleaned it, I kind of liked it just the way it was. So all I did was give it a good cleaning and it was good to go. I paid $2.99 for this love sign. So this next item I picked up at the Salvation Army, and I almost didn't pick it up because it was filthy. It's covered in so much dust, the camera doesn't even pick it all up, but it was kind of gross. It was only $1.99 though, and I thought I could use it in something else I was working on, maybe create a riser with it, until I cleaned it and took the sticker off the bottom and realized that it was a Dansk candlestick. I didn't even know that when I bought it. So I looked it up and discovered that this particular single candlestick holder was reselling in the neighborhood of $25. Mine cleaned up beautifully and I fell in love with it. I'll be using it in my Valentine styling and you'll see it towards the end of the video. I also picked up this gorgeous crystal vase at the Salvation Army. Now normally I wouldn't pay $14.99 for something I was picking up at a thrift store, but this is a real crystal vase and it's gorgeous and it's heavy and it's stunning. She cleaned up so pretty, but unfortunately the camera doesn't pick up all her sparkly facets. You'll also see her a bit later. Okay, let's do a project. I picked another love sign up at the Goodwill, and this one was $1.99, and this one I am painting. I'm taking some of the white paint I have on hand. It's a color called Alaskan Mist, and I love the color. The paint itself, though, drives me crazy because it goes on a little thin and runny, and everything seems to generally take 3 coats. I mixed it with one of my pink paints. The pink was kind of bright. I just wanted a nice, soft, muted pink color, and that's what I ended up with. Although it looks white here, but it's this really pretty soft shade of pink. Here you see it after 2 coats, but I can still see some of the wood coloring underneath. So I'm going to go back in and either just touch up those spots or give it another coat. I have this retail shopping bag on hand. I'm sure some of you recognize where it's from. And I want to use the pattern to cut some hearts out for the project I'm working on. These are 2 pieces of cardboard from inside that bag. I'm cutting hearts out on the cardboard first to use as a backing for my paper so it's a little bit stronger. Here I'm cutting them out. Now I'm cutting out my pink and white polka dot paper hearts, perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm using my Mod Podge to attach the paper hearts to the cardboard that I cut earlier just to make them a bit sturdier. While my hearts are drying, I'm painting a couple sticks white, and those will be attached to my hearts. I went over the hearts with a dry brush and some of the light pink paint I had left over. And now I'm going to attach the sticks to the back. I used my hot glue gun to add some jute string to the center of my heart pops, and then I attached a little bow. A couple other things I'll be using in my styling today. One is this adorable face vase, which also cleaned up very nicely after I washed it, and I picked this one up at the Salvation Army for $1.99. I was thrifting with a friend and we discovered this lovely large mirror at Salvation Army. I almost didn't get it because it was $19.99 and I thought that was a bit much. But the piece itself is very heavy, large, Has this lovely glossy white frame around it, and my friend was like, how can you not? And she was right. It fits in perfectly with my home. I picked both of these up at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. I just couldn't pass them up. Thanks for hanging out. Happy thrifting.